Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can share contacts using Zangi Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can easily install it from the Play Store. Go ahead and click on the person who you want to share with, and you can see the plus icon on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it, and you can see on the right hand corner is contact. Go ahead and click on contact, and you can see that if you have given Zangi the access of your contact, you can easily send the project to. So go ahead and click on plus, and you can see the contact over here. Just go ahead and select the contact which you want to send. So go ahead and select the contact and click on send. So you can even change the name from here. You can easily change it. So click on plus, go to contact, select the person who you want to send this. So you can even rename this person. So I have renamed it. Go ahead and click on send, and you can see the contact will be easily sent, and the other viewer can easily add this contact to their contact list. So I hope this video about how you can share contacts in Zangi Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.